Number 1. 1990 GMC 1500, price $7,800, classic full-size pickup that offers strong performance and a distinctive vintage style. This truck has 200,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth driving and solid power. It features a red exterior matched with a red interior, giving it a bold and unique look. Equipped with power locks and power windows, the truck provides added convenience while maintaining its classic character. It runs and shifts great, making it a dependable option for anyone looking for a classic GMC pickup. Several components have been recently replaced, including new tires, heater core, spark plugs and wires, radiator, AC condenser, AC compressor, and new speakers, helping keep the truck in good running condition. The vehicle comes with a clean Arkansas title in hand. Number 2. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,950. The truck has 184,000 miles, comes with an automatic transmission, and is equipped with a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. Despite being nearly 30 years old, this Sierra remains in excellent mechanical condition. The engine runs strong and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly. Several recent maintenance items have been completed, including new brakes and rotors on both the front and rear, new spark plugs and wires, and a new set of tires. The truck has no leaks and no known mechanical issues, and the heater works properly. Inside, the cabin is very clean and well kept, and it also includes a CD player for added convenience. It also comes with a clean title, making it a solid and dependable classic pickup. Number 3. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. It has been well maintained and carefully owned. It is equipped with a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck shows 242,000 miles and features an orange exterior with a tan interior, giving it a distinctive vintage look. This vehicle has been owned by the current owner since 2017 and has received regular maintenance over the years. It comes from a non-smoker environment and has not been exposed to pets. The truck has no accident history, no fluid leaks, and holds a clean title. Mechanically, it remains in solid condition, although the exterior paint will need attention or a wrap to refresh its appearance. Overall, this 1989 GMC Sierra 1500 represents a dependable classic pickup with strong V8 performance, a straightforward 2WD setup, and a history of consistent care. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500. It features an automatic transmission, a 7.4-liter 454 V8 with throttle body injection, a white exterior, blue interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has received several new parts including the throttle body, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, ignition module, ignition coil, EGR valve, and PCV valve. A replacement body panel was installed where rust was present, and new side body moldings and sun visors are included, along with additional spare parts. The frame is in good condition and was undercoat, and the strong 454 engine makes it a good candidate for a resto-mod project. The air conditioning does not currently work due to a condenser leak, and the engine has a slight miss that may be related to ignition timing or a vacuum issue. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet S10, price $3,950. It shows 258,000 miles and is powered by a strong 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a burgundy exterior, the truck runs on gasoline and offers the classic practicality the S10 line is known for. This truck starts easily, runs well, drives smoothly, and shifts properly through the automatic transmission. It is equipped with a secure toolbox that includes a key, providing convenient and safe storage in the bed. The vehicle also sits on a good set of tires, making it ready for daily driving or light work duties. Overall, this 1994 Chevrolet S10 represents a solid and functional pickup with a proven V6 powertrain, automatic transmission, and useful bed storage, making it a practical choice for someone looking for a reliable small truck. Number 6. 1996 Ford F250, price $6,500. This truck is equipped with the well-known 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It has approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer and features a white exterior with a brown interior. The truck is currently driven daily and runs reliably. It rides on 4 almost brand-new all-terrain tires and has received several recent maintenance updates, including a new fuel filter, rear fuel tank, radiator, vacuum pump, front brakes, and I-beam pivot bushings. The seller notes that the truck only needs an AC line and a rear fuel tank sending unit for the fuel gauge to read accurately. Aside from these minor items, everything else is reported to be in good working order. The vehicle does carry a salvage title, which is already in the seller's name. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, classic full-size pickup showing 99,000 miles, equipped with a manual transmission, a red exterior, tan interior, and powered by gasoline. This truck has been LS swapped with a stock 5.3L V8 from a Chevrolet Avalanche, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission with around 100k miles. It runs and drives well. The body is in good overall condition with minimal rust, with only some bubbling on the cab corners. The floors and rocker panels are solid, and the truck features a matte red paint job, BART wheels with good tires, dual exhaust, and a steel 2-inch cowl bolt-on hood. Most components work properly, including the gauges, lights, and wipers. Though the speedometer does not work, a plug-in digital speedometer is included. The heater and radio currently do not function, and the plastic grille has a crack. Number 8. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, presented in very good overall condition and offers a solid foundation for anyone looking for a classic square body truck. The body is reported to be in really good shape, showing that it has been well cared for over the years. It is powered by a mildly built 454 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, and the truck runs well and fires up without issue. This C10 also retains its original stance, as the truck has not been cut or lowered, which is becoming harder to find on many square-body trucks today. The drivetrain is said to be in good working order, making it a strong starting point for a classic driver or project. With some fresh paint and a bit of interior work, this truck has the potential to be turned into a very nice and eye-catching classic pickup. Number 9. 1971 Ford F250, price $8,900, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It features a tan exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a clean and timeless look. The truck has reportedly been fully refreshed and runs well. Engine work includes new crank bearings and a machined deck cylinder head with new valves matched to a new intake and carburetor. It also has a new gas tank and filters, new headers with a Flowmaster 3-inch exhaust, and a new aluminum radiator. Additional updates include an F100 suspension setup, a 9-inch automatic rear end with a 5-lug configuration, fresh brakes, drums, and seals, KYB shocks, and new Pro Comp tires and wheels. The interior features newly upholstered Mustang bucket seats along with a newly upholstered bench seat. Number 10. 1968 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. The truck features a black exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The vehicle has been sitting for about 7 years after the previous owner became ill and was unable to complete the project. The engine turns over but currently does not run, so it will require some work to bring it back to the road. Despite being a project, the truck has a solid foundation, including solid floors and cab mounts, with only typical rocker panel rust common for trucks of this era. Several new parts have already been installed, including new tires, new carpet, floor sound deadener, and factory-style wheels, which helps move the restoration process forward.